Imagine waking up and the first thing you see is a notification about the money you've made while you were sleeping. Sounds like a dream? Well, it's not. Welcome to the future of making money online. As we stand on the threshold of the year 2050, the digital landscape has evolved, presenting us with more opportunities to earn than ever before. This video is your guide to navigating this brave new world. It's designed to be a launchpad for beginners, providing 20 easy-to-follow tips that can help kickstart your online money-making journey. Whether it's utilizing artificial intelligence, exploring virtual reality services, or delving into the realm of cryptocurrency, we've got you covered. Our aim is to demystify the process and make it as accessible as possible. So are you ready to unlock the future of your finances? Let's dive into our first tip. First up, we have AI. Artificial intelligence is not just for sci-fi movies anymore. It's a real profitable tool you can use. Picture this, a customer service that never sleeps, always ready to assist your clients. That's a chatbot for you, a kind of AI that can significantly boost your online business operations. Additionally, AI can revolutionize your customer service approach. With AI, you can provide personalized experiences to your customers, making them feel valued and understood. But that's not all. AI can also play an integral role in data analysis. It can sift through big data, identify patterns, and provide insights that would take a human analyst countless hours to achieve. It's like having your very own business consultant that works tirelessly 24/7. So don't be afraid to welcome AI into your business strategy. Next, we're stepping into the realm of virtual reality or VR. This is a rapidly growing field with a wealth of opportunities for making money online. Imagine being able to provide unique services without boundaries, from the comfort of your own home. One such service is virtual tours. With VR, you can create immersive experiences that transport users to different locales, from historical sites to exotic destinations, all without leaving their living room. But the possibilities don't stop there. VR also opens doors for innovative training programs. One can design virtual simulations for anything from medical procedures to machinery operations, providing invaluable hands-on experience. Or how about creating extraordinary virtual experiences? You could design a thrilling roller coaster ride or an enchanting underwater adventure. The beauty of VR is that it allows you to create and sell experiences that were previously impossible or impractical. Remember, in the world of VR, the only limit is your imagination. Moving on, let's talk about cryptocurrency, online teaching, and freelancing. These three avenues are not just trends, but revolutions transforming the way we earn money in the digital world. First up, cryptocurrency. No, it's not just Bitcoin or Ethereum. The world of cryptocurrency is vast and rich with potential. It's a sort of digital or virtual currency, using cryptography for security. How can you earn from it? Well, you can start by trading or investing in them. But remember, it's crucial to study the market trends and keep a keen eye on the crypto world's volatility. Next, let's dive into online teaching. With the rise of digital platforms, anyone can become a teacher from the comfort of their home. Are you good at math? Can you play the guitar? Do you speak a foreign language? Well, there are people out there willing to learn from you. Platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, or even YouTube can be your stage, and the world can be your audience. Just remember to keep your content engaging and informative. Lastly, we have freelancing. This isn't a new concept, but it's been supercharged by the internet. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or consultant, there are platforms out there that connect you to clients who need your skills. Sites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are just a few examples. The best part? You get to be your own boss, work at your own pace, and choose projects that align with your interests. Each of these avenues requires a different set of skills and levels of involvement. But what they all have in common is the potential to earn you money online. And with the right mindset, dedication, and a bit of luck, they might even turn into your main source of income. From Bitcoin to skills sharing, the online world is your oyster. And finally, our last set of tips for you today. Our 16th tip is all about content creation. With the rise of digital platforms, there's a huge demand for original content. You could start a blog, launch a podcast, or even create your own YouTube channel. The possibilities are endless. Just remember, consistency is key. Regularly produce high-quality content and watch your audience grow. Next up, app development. If you have a knack for coding, this could be a goldmine for you. The world is becoming increasingly reliant on apps for everything, from ordering food to managing finances. If you can create a unique, user-friendly app, it could potentially reach millions of users worldwide. But remember, it's not just about creating the app. You need to market it effectively too, so that it stands out from the crowd. Moving on to the 18th tip, online coaching. If you're an expert in a particular field, consider sharing your knowledge with others. It could be anything from fitness to finance, language learning to life coaching. With the power of the internet, you can reach out to people all around the globe right from your living room. Our 19th tip involves stock photography. If you have a passion for photography, why not monetize it? Websites like Shutterstock and Getty Images allow you to sell your photos online. Remember, it's not just about taking beautiful photos. You need to understand what kind of images are in demand and tailor your content accordingly. Our final tip for today is selling digital products. This includes anything from ebooks to online courses, digital art to music tracks. The best part about selling digital products is that you create them once and sell them repeatedly, providing a potential source of passive income. Remember, the key to success is finding something you're passionate about and turning it into an income source. So, take these tips, find your passion, and start making money online today. And there you have it, 20 tips to make money online fast in the year 2050. Let's quickly recap. We've discussed everything from leveraging artificial intelligence for business and offering virtual reality services to trading in cryptocurrency, online teaching, and freelancing. We've also covered the last 5 tips, each one a unique and effective way to bolster your online income. Now remember, it's not about mastering all 20. Instead, focus on the ones that resonate with you, the ones that spark that entrepreneurial fire within. The future is teeming with opportunities. It's up to you to seize them. Start small, take baby steps, and gradually, you'll find yourself on the path to online success. The year 2050 might seem far off, but in the digital world, time flies faster than you think. So why wait? Start your online money-making journey today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more future-proof tips and tricks. Until next time, happy earning!